Hi children, welcome back to our maths class. In today's class, I am going to teach you how to solve word problems. Here, I have written the question. The first question is, Aryan has 4 packets of pencils. Each packet has 12 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Here, Aryan has 4 packets of pencil. He has some pencils packets. The number of packets are 4. And each packet contains 12 pencils. Here the question is to find out the total number of pencils in 4 packets. The solution is number of pencils packet. Number of pencil packet is 4. Okay. Number of pencils in each packet. Each packet contains 12 pencils. Now, we have to find out the total number of pencils. Number of pencils in all. To find out that, we have to multiply this 12 with 4. Calculation is here. Here, 12 write at the top. 2 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. And 4 is in 1's place. Now we are going to do the calculation. First we will multiply 4 with 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So write 8 here under 1's place. After that we are going to multiply this 4 with this 1. 1 is in 10s. Okay. 4 1s are 4. Write this answer here in 10's place. Now the answer is 48. Total 48 pencils are there in 4 packets. So Aryan has 48 pencils. Okay. Now the second question is, my shirt has 7 buttons. How many buttons will be there in 11 such shirts? Here the question is, a shirt has 7 buttons and there are 11 such shirts. We have to find out total number of buttons in 11 shirts. Now we are going to do the calculation. First we will write the steps. The first step is number of buttons on a shirt. We know a shirt has 7 buttons. Okay. Now the second step is number of such shirts. How many shirts are there? Yes, there are 11 shirts. The question is to find out the total number of buttons. So the third step is total number of buttons. That is, to find out the total number of buttons, we have to multiply 11 with 7. That is, number of buttons on a shirt with number of shirt. Okay. Now here we are going to do the calculation. See, here I have written 11. 11 you write at top. And 7 write here in 1's place. Now we are going to multiply 7 and 1. 7 1s are 7. Write the 7 under 1's place. Next step is multiply this 7 with this 1 which is in tens place. 7 ones are again 7. Write that 7 in tens place. Now the answer is 77. 11 into 7 is equal to 77. Thus we got the answer. The total number of buttons on 11 shirts is equal to 77. So in my shirt there are 77 buttons. Okay. Question number 3. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 10 weeks? A week has 7 days. And we have to find out the number of days in 10 weeks. Here the solution is number of days in a week. That is 7. Now, number of days in 10 weeks. To find out the number of days in 10 weeks, we must multiply this 10 with 7. That is, number of days in a week with number of week. Here the number of weeks 10 and number of days 7. If we multiply this 10 with 7, we will get the number of days in 10 weeks. So we are going to multiply these two numbers here. The calculation is given 10 into 7. 10, 0 write in ones place and 1 in tens place. Write the 7 in ones place. And we are going to start multiply these numbers. 7 zeros are 0. So write 0 under ones place. Now we are going to multiply this 7 with this 1. 7 ones are 7. Write that 7 in tens place because its place value is tens. Now the answer is 70. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. So there are 70 days in 10 weeks. 10 weeks has 70 days. Okay. Now there are some homeworks for you. I have written two questions. The first question is, Maya has a collection of 40 dolls. A doll has 2 eyes. How many eyes will 40 dolls have? She has 40 dolls and each doll has 2 eyes. Here the question is to find out the number of eyes of 40 dolls. You must write the steps. You must show the calculation. Then you write the answer. Okay. And the second question is, Jaya has 5 packets of pencils. Each packet has 11 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? She has 5 packets of pencils and each packet contains 11 pencils. To find out the number of pencils, you have to multiply 11 with 5. Here also you must write the steps, show the calculation, then you write the answer. Okay? All procedures you must complete when you do the problems. And in your textbook, page number 80. Some problems are there. You must solve that problems also. Okay children, bye.